Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tyson Discovery Center. My name is Chef Sergio Herrera, an executive chef of the Tyson Food Service Culinary team. And today, I'm here to talk about an awesome and flavorful and trendy pizza called Aloha Bacon. So let's talk about these ingredients. First, we have our Hillshire Farm bacon that's part cooked and great for recipes and for ingredients that want that awesome crunchy bacon flavor, and you can finish off in the oven. Next, we have an hoisin barbecue teriyaki glaze that gives it a nice bold flavor and awesome sweetness to the pizza dough. Next, we have our shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Next, we have our pineapple serrano salsa that's got some peppers and a variety of different spices. Our teardrop peppers that we'll slice up, great flavor. Red onions that we'll roast and thinly slice. And we'll finish it off with sriracha drizzle over the top. So let's go ahead and start with our teardrop peppers. So we'll thinly slice as so. So let's get these red onions thinly sliced. Let's grab a pan. And what we'll do here is roast these off in an oven, 375, and they'll be ready to go. So let's get started with this Aloha Bacon build. Here I have a 14-inch pie crust, and we'll first start with this awesome teriyaki glaze. That's gonna go right as the base of the sauce. Once again, this glaze has bursting flavors. We'll get that spread evenly, as so. Next, what we'll do here is grab our Hillshire Farm bacon pieces right here. But you wanna basically spread out a good hefty portion all around this pizza build right here. That's beautiful. Next, what we'll do here is have our shredded cheddar and mozzarella blend. And that looks perfect right there. Next, my favorite, of course, we have a pineapple serrano salsa right here. Top it off, as so. That's great. And next, of course, this teardrop peppers that we stripped. And finally, we'll have our roasted red onions. Thinly sliced, having that kind of par roast, of course, adds a great flavor to it. Now let's go ahead and cook this in the oven. What we did here is we cooked it at 450 degrees at a Culinary build speed of 5 minutes. And we flash it real quick. And then here's our final product. What we'll do now is finish it off with an awesome, tasty sriracha drizzle. Grab a squeeze bottle and just give it a nice drizzle of sriracha. All right, let's go ahead and cut this pie up. Just do some more slices here. And there we have it, Aloha Bacon featuring our Hillshire Farm bacon. And there you go. Thanks so much.